Try your best. Good luck, Fountain Hill.
Good luck. Do your best at the PSSAs. Bye.
Hey, Fountain Hill, good luck on those PSSAs.
P, prepare yourself. Get a good night's sleep. S, stay focused.
S, stay confident.
A, always do your best.
Good luck, third grade.
Hey, good luck. You got this.
Hello, Fountain Hill 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students.
Do your best.
PSSA.
Do your best on the test.
This is Mrs. Cardelis' class, and we wanted to say,
Good luck on the PSSA.
Hey, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. I just want you to know that I want you to do your best. Happy PSSA testing.
Your friends in pre-K just wanted to say.
This is a PSSA prep crew, and we just have a few words of advice. Believe in yourself, show what you've learned.
Try your best and don't give up.
Take your time, double check your work.
We believe in you. Good luck.